Hello my friends, how are you? So I've got this cool new kit by Gecko Models which I've wanted to have a look at for a while now. This model company seems really cool. They do a lot of the British stuff. So I got this figure kit set here, the WWII British Machine Gun Team in combat in Northwest Europe. So you get 5 figures and a machine gun, which is pretty cool. You get all these sprues here. What else? So, oh yeah, you get your decal sheets and you get your photo etch pictures. That's about it. You get this box inside like that. That opens up and you can see the stuff inside. I'll show you the photo etch. So you see all these straps. Sorry. You see all these straps and stuff. Heaps of different straps all there, so you get all that on your photo etch sheet. So these ones here are for the rifles, so you get 6 for the rifles, and then there's all other ones, you know, for different kinds of things, for the canvas bags and all that kind of stuff. You got your little clips to go at the end, you know, these ones at the end of the guns, the end of these straps here, so they attach to the gun. That's some more different type of clips. And then you get this photo etch sheet, so you can put the ammunition decals on and you can put the water ones on as well. But you can also get 4 different fighting battalions or whatnot, and some different ranks there, which is pretty cool. And you also get a little piece of rope, and that's to be the water line or whatever to the machine gun. So inside we've got some rifles here. They seem really cool to me. Very detailed. See that little Sten gun? That's its little clip there. This one came a bit bent, the but it's slide molded out. So you get 2 different kinds of rifles. You get the machine gun and some parts for that. Really nice, very nice, very nice indeed. So you get them in bags like this, so the sort of sandwich bag things where you have to open them up and just sort of jiggle them out. So we've got the machine gun here. You get 2 different types. So you get a jacketed one there, and you get a non-jacketed one, and both of them are slide molded out. Now you got the tires there. You get some machine gun ammunition. And the gun's pretty simple to build by the looks of it. You get the tripod there, that looks pretty good, doesn't it? So we also get some shovels, some teacups. The teacups are cool. And that's an interesting little addition. Some other little thingamajiggamies. I think they're the water canisters. Here we got some ammunition boxes. Get a couple more of those ammunition boxes. They do look good, I like them. And we get a rangefinder with a little stand to go with it. And that's here in 3 parts, 1, 2, 3. Very nice. And so then we get the actual figure bag here. So let's get these ones out. So here we go, we've got some helmets and some canvas, some binoculars down here. Now you get 3 without the clips, and then 2 with the clips over the top of the helmet. I thought that was a mistake at first, but no, it's not. And we also get another canvas bag here. And you get sort of 4 different types of bags there. You get some more bags here. And some ammunition pouches. All kinds of different cool stuff. That one. And then you get the figures. The figures really remind me of the Mini Arts ones. Mini Arts newer figure sets. But you see here, they have the shoe bases on all of them. But you see what I mean? They do sort of resemble the folds and that in the Mini Art stuff. But it's very nice. I'm really impressed with the detail on these. There's the feet. And then you see with these things here, you've got to install the feet, the bottom of the feet. And that's with all of them. But yeah, very Mini Art-esque. Very nice little figures there. So there's 3 of them, and then you get another 2 here. That'd be the guy that's lying down. There's his feet bottom, and there's his head. Same here, got his feet bottom. The heads look okay too. Sort of similar to, once again, Mini Art. I reckon they do have a similar designer or something like that, because that's very similar. But that's that. And then you get the decals and all that. So it's for $30, you know, they're not the cheapest kits, these Gecko kits, but I wanted to give them a try and see what they're like, and they seem pretty good to me. I'd actually like to try one of their model kits, but they seem pretty expensive. Alright my friends, I'll speak to you again soon.